और Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Ragging here? No? Okay, that's very good to hear. Because most of us are aware about the legal consequences. Here, from time to time, we've been given awareness about what ragging is all about and the impact, the psychological impact also it has on a person, which I'm going to show you later in a video. Alright?
Shillong College Anti-Ragging Cell. Hakakat project unailar alajar pausan klap penlong ya program pensngo tho kumshbenta ban Rakhe National Anti-Ragging Week. Kapang pedeng jongan ngi kalong say no to ragging deka jingthmu ban pensngo tho ikisamla puli jonga college. Lor kaan persya ya jing le ben para khna puli ban penslur ya jing pediang bat jinga teli bat banthau ka mariang ka bukot bakhya hagajaka puli. Principal ke college Dr. S. Khongwir ula pediang sngoba ya Dr. Daya Hunlang Maulong assistant professor ke Shillong Law College iblalong kum ke resource person lakban kedo bahaduk menta omshim ladan genu ke jingsha le ben tani ke ragging ha Shillong College kebede ben ajing ro ke jingla jong ke anti ragging cell ban shim ke sinjam ba ke lat lenti ke shim khia ban pentikna ya ke jinglong jingman ke balad ke jingsha le ben ya ke program lapen longkat kum ke session wise hapok ke college auditorium nak benta boro ke samla puli bedang syurung thamai ke first semester ba kum juru igi hostel jong ke Shillong College Women's Hostel I Dr. D Maulong lapen pau ki kam ke penlong nilak banyo kum kom le ben lani ragging hagi post na menchua ke ragging ke de jingmut jong ki resep ni bat kam de syuk bat thamai ha ke jela bat khamtam hagi we pat ki benta jong ke India Lakban benrap bahasa kuwe pat ke program pensngo tho syapang ke anti-ragging on sepenlong dekat college nak benta ke samla postgraduate ru on sepenlong lanu hau benai September.
Ragging here? No? Okay, that's very good to hear. Because most of us are aware about the legal consequences. Here, from time to time, we've been given awareness about what ragging is all about. And the impact, the psychological impact also it has on a person, which I'm going to show you later in a video. Alright? So we move on. Now, if you look at that, is it visible to all of you? Yeah. Okay, see, when you look at ragging, you know the first ragging related death occurred in the year 1873 in a Cornell University in the US. See, it occurred right from that time. Then it escalated in the West because of there are various issues. That time they had the black, the white issue. So this escalated, and then the concept of ragging jokes at the time of welcoming fresher students to the institute. This happened, and then gradually the practice of ragging became popular throughout the world. Now, with time, ragging assumed obnoxious and harmful connotation. And also, India also, because it was ruled by the British, they inherited this concept of ragging from the British Raj. And that is happening till this very moment here in India. But how do we get this? Do you know how do we get this regulations? The regulations, 2009 regulations of ragging. Any one of you know? Do you know? Okay. It was, in this case, Vishwa Jagati Mission through President versus Central Government through Cabinet Secretary. This was a PIL. Have you heard of a PIL? Do you know what is a PIL? Yes, a PIL is a public interest litigation. Now this public interest litigation, it's where any one of you also you can file. If it only impacts the public, if it only has an effect, it affects the public. But it should not be only for personal gain. It should be for the benefit of the society as a whole.
So I take this opportunity to once again welcome you all to the awareness program on anti-ragging, a program organized as part of Anti-Ragging Awareness Week, which started on the 12th of August till the 18th of August 2025. So I thank the convener and all the members of Anti-Ragging Cell for organizing this program for our first semester students who are the newcomers to our institution. The theme for this year, Anti-Ragging Awareness, is Youth Against Ragging. And today we observe Anti-Ragging Day in our college, and the theme is Say No to Ragging. So today we dedicated and reaffirm our pledge to fostering a safe, respectful, and inclusive community for everyone at our college. The Supreme Court of India has defined ragging as any disorderly conduct, whether by words spoken or written, or by an act, which has the effect of teasing, treating, or handling with rudeness any student indulging in rowdy or indisciplined activities. It causes annoyance, hardship, psychological harm, or to raise fear or apprehension thereof in a fresher or a junior student. Legally speaking, ragging is an act which causes or is likely to cause physical, psychological, or physiological harm, or apprehension, or shame, or an embarrassment to a student. It includes teasing, abusing, or playing practical jokes, or causing hurt to any student, or asking them to do any act or perform anything